How are you? Want to step out? There you go. What a good boy you are. Yay, Romy! Yay, Romy! Romy, he's a good boy. Here's my good baby. Yay, Romy. What a good job. Oh, you do such a good job. You're so good. Yay, Romy.
Hey, you want to touch? Just let me say hi and I have to pick them all. What are you doing? I need you. What you got? Oh. Who's this?
This is Romy. I think he's going to his forever home tomorrow. This is my last time with Romy.
Oh.
Look what you do to his tail feathers. He's a little afraid of men.
Oh.
So, just a little bit back, or otherwise he'll bite me.
I just gotta say hi to Scarlett.
You did a good job, Romy. You're so good, Romy. Good job, baby.